Hello, myself Josna Sarode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Study. Today, my topic is storytelling about movie. My movie is a Rocket Sing, Suspense of the Year, and from subject personal grooming. Recently, I watched a movie named Rocket Sing. Uh, this is Rocket Sing means a movie is a making it a salesman of the year. I enjoy it. Besides having fun, I also perceived that there were some lessons that could be actually distilled from Rocket Singh's acting word and can be made applicable to actual uh, corporate world of a business. After obtaining just 38.72% from Mumbai University, Harpreet Singh Bedi, who lives with his grandfather, gets employed with AYS Computers as a salesmanship. This is where he will find out that honesty is not the best policy, will be treated as a joker Sardar, be shunned and mocked by his superior and colleagues alike. His overture to make a name for himself will compel him to partner with four other employees from the firm, namely Girish Reddy, uh, Kon, Kon Sheikh, Chotela Chotelal Mishra and Nitin Rathod, leading to the creation of a fictitious organization, Rocket Sales Corporation. Money doesn't motivate anybody equally. You cannot always convince people with the money only. You need to pursue, converse, negotiated, and engage. Money is one of the several variables of motivation. Someone needs just a sweet words and some needs a little persuasion. Tailor the approach of motivation. Use money where it is required only. You can be a topper in the university and the greatest number crunchers on planet earth, but may not be greater salesperson. And to be great salesperson you need to have a right aptitude, an aptitude of empathy, and aptitude to see beyond the obvious. Asking is a prerequisite to become a great salesperson. If you are hesitant to break the ice, start conversation and ask for help and guidance and engage people in discussion. You then need to cultivate people skills. Great salespeople come one step forward after saying hello. They confidentially say, "Can you please help me?" Don't expect honesty from salespeople in the organization. If you encourage them to become a kickbackers and bribes with the client, if organization encourage its sales and marketing teams to bribe the clients organization to take orders, it is in fact plowing the seeds of dishonesty in the organization culture. Organization has no right to expect internal integrity and honesty if it is promoting malpractices in the client organization. Customer service 24/7 makes the organization outsmart the competition. In order to thrive and excel in the business, organization need to cultivate a service culture across the board. You cannot afford to forget the customer once you take the check. Delighted and satisfied customer are your ambassadors, and their referral can generate more business than you can handle. If associated are treated like partners, they will own the organization, allow them to grow as the company grows. If human are treated as a resources and capital meant to be consumed and used, they will act like a leeches, sucking away the vital veins of the organization and reaching out to the bone marrow. Sales and marketing people employed on a fixed salary work from 9 to 5. If they are partners in their profitability, they will sell even in dream and and will become a killer sales machines, timeless and spaceless, mediocre, become a mastermind when they are involved. 0 is a magical is a character. It can multiple the value of any number if placed rightly. The lowest person in the organizational hierarchy can do wonders if she is put at the right place, and genius can ruin the whole game if placed wrongly. Match of inherent talent with the job description is critical for success of the organizations. Every employee has both the quality of rising and falling in career. Which quality is a dominant determines your destiny. Certain attitudes will put a gravitational pull on you, while others will make you sky's the beginning type. Jumping out of a comfort zone, taking initiative, and playing with the risk is what makes the differences. If you are stuck in the grooves of safety, you end up now where the road from good to great is a paved with the taking initiative. The biggest risk in life is to avoid the risk. Even Spider-Man must take the risk. Great organizations are built by great teams and not by accident. Teams are built by a reinforced trust, mutual respect, sharing and caring. The trust deficit among the team members erodes the team spirit. Build a great team, build a great organization. Every sales and marketing person must keep his or her eyes and ears open to scan the information regarding prospectors, competition, and the marketing influence in the game of business. The right information at the right time gives you unfair advantage. Be the corporate Sherlock Holmes. बुजुर्ग ने फरमाया कि अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो के देख लो. That what is the really picture of an individual after passing out from the colleagues enter a practical real world. The one thing that continue is the exam. That's why I choose to call a practical learning college affiliated to Life University from HP's successor experience. Let's learn and get master's degree from Life University and live the work life to the fullest. Thank you.